Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to explain how to render the employee information dynamically using Django template tags and serve some static files like CSS and images. If you are working with Django, want to display dynamic data in templates, this video is for you. Let's dive in. In the last video, we have already created a view and configured an URL to render the employee details. Now we will add an employee image and we'll give some CSS styles to it. Now go to inside the template project and now let me create a static folder. In this template project, first I'll close all so that you'll have some clear idea about this. First I'll open this template project. Inside of the template project, here I'm going to create a folder called static. Inside the static, I'll create a folder called CSS. CSS and images. I'll create two folders, and inside static I'll create another folder that is images, and then I'll keep some image here. So what I'm going to do, I have one employee JPG file. I'll just drag and drop here. A file is created here. So next, let's configure the static files. So for that, I need to open settings.py from the template project. Settings.py. Here, make sure you have import OS. Now go to the bottom. Here, you see the static URL is there. And I'm going to write static files underscore dirs equal os dot path join base dir comma static. The static folder whatever you have created, that you need to tell to specify here in the static files directory. Now inside CSS folder, we will create a CSS file. Go to the CSS. Here we will create a file with the name style.css. Style.css. Here in employee template, already we have written the HTML, and for this we will try to give some styling. So for the image tag, what I will do, I'll give some width. What is the width? Let me give 200 pixel, and I'm going to specify the height will be 200 pixel. Height is also same. I'll give you 200 pixel. Let me give some border. Let me give border 10 pixel and red grow. Next border radius I'll mention. Border radius will be 10%, and I'll give you some margin 0% and then 10%. I'll give you some padding also. Padding 10 pixel. And for the h1 tag, I'll give the color brown and text align will be center. That's it. And next one is we need to add this static files to the employee render file. We need to specify the CSS. We need to link it. What are the CSS file we have mentioned? We need to link it. Link relative equal to style sheet, type equal to text or CSS, h reference equal to what is the path. We need to mention static CSS style.css. Then we'll close with percent. I close this link. And the next step is I'll write here the employee information. So the next step we have to include the image tag. So image source equal to static images, the path is emp dot jpg. What is that image? emp. Make sure the file name should be same, emp dot jpg. And if you want to give alt equal to some image, and I'll write, yeah, if you want you can mention the width and height also, but I'm not specifying here. Already I have given in the CSS. Let me save this. So what I did, I just given the link of that CSS file, and then I've written the image tag. Don't forget load static here. Here I'm going to write load static. Save this. And the last step is we need to run the server. And I'm going to come out of this, Control X, and I'm going to run this Python manage.py run server. Let me go to this URL and we'll go with the employee. Yeah, here is the output. See, you can find the very wonderful image is displayed, complete bordered with red color, and I have given the h1 tag also, the CSS style. So for this h1 tag CSS style is applied, for the image also CSS style is applied, and we have successfully displayed employee data using Django template tag with static files for styling and images. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Django tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.